Hello everyone, I know most of English learner already know about present simple tense, but if you're not sure how to use it, so this video is for you. So let's start with what is present simple. Present simple is how we talk about things that we do every day, or you can say habit, or things that are always true, like the sun is hot. So everyone know that the sun is hot, so this sentence we use in present simple tense. The rule. The rule is simple. For I, you, we, they, we use simple verb. Example, I play, you eat, we run, they sing. For he, she, it, we add s or es. Example, he plays, she eats, it runs. For go, watch, cry, we add es. So go to goes, watch to watches, and cry to cries. But you can see right here, cry, before we add es, we have to change y to I, then add es. So you have to remember. Let's take a look at the form. We have positive form, negative form, and question form. So the positive form is simple. We use subject plus verb and plus es or s depend on the subject. Example, I liked ice cream. She likes ice cream. You can see the like we use in the first sentence doesn't need s because we use with the subject I. But the like in the second sentence we use with she, so we have to add s. The negative form. Subject plus don't plus doesn't plus simple verb. Or you can say do not or does not. It's the same. Example, I don't like burger. She doesn't like burger. Question form. We use do or does plus subject plus simple verb. Do you like pizza? Does he like pizza? So you have to remember that we use do with I, you, we, they, and we use does with he, she, it. In negatives and questions, the verb stays simple. You can see right here, does he like? So normally if the sentence in positive, we have to add s because we use with the he subject. But for question form and negative form, we don't need s. So these are the additional example. I play soccer. This is positive form. I don't play tennis. This is negative form. Do you play soccer? This is question form. He reads book. This is also positive form. He doesn't read comic. This is negative form. Does he read books? This is question form. So that's all for this video, and if you have any question you can comment and I will try to answer all your questions. So see you in the next video. Thank you.